So beautiful people, today I have Tony with me. Hi Tony.
Hi.
You're good?
Chef, yes.
Tony is Russian and he have never tried the Kibbeh Bil Sanieh before.
Very interesting taste and combination with the yogurt.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. You have to make it. You need to try this dish.
Really, they have to try it?
It's amazing, chef.
Hello beautiful people, my name is Marc, I'm a chef and I live in the Emirates. If you want to discover a great restaurant around the world or you will learn expert beautiful cooking tutorials, subscribe now and click on the bell so you don't miss anything. This is the mistake that everyone does. When you go to your butcher anywhere in the world, first of all you need to tell him you need to use a 3mm ring, and that's very important. And they need to use a top side beef. No silver skin, no fat, nothing inside. Second of all, they need to ground the beef for only one time, not more. Those are the products that we need. At first, we need Bulgur. It has to be very fine. 7 spices. You can find them in any Lebanese shop. The ground beef that we talk about, the salt, the mint, and the onions. For the filling, we require fine lamb ground meat. The lamb beef is very essential because it is going to give it a bit of more flavors because it have more fat. It's going to be more juicy, obviously. Fried pine seeds, cinnamon sticks, bay leaf, salt, and finely chopped onions. Let's start by making the kibbeh, finally. Soak the bulgur in water and leave them around 10 minutes because we want them a bit to be soft, alright? And then we're gonna dry them very properly and then we're gonna put them aside. For the filling, on a medium heat, in a hot pan, we're gonna pour a bit of olive oil. We're gonna add fresh cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, finely chopped onions. We're gonna mix them very well. We're gonna add salt, 7 spices again, the ground beef. Be careful, we want everything to be properly mixed and we do not want to burn the beef. In a mortar pestle, we're gonna add the finely chopped onions, a bit of mint, crush them until they become a sort of paste. Now, to make our beef texture beautiful, in a blender, we're gonna add the ground beef, a bit of ice. We're gonna blend it very well, and then you're gonna see the color of the beef gonna be absolutely beautiful. Now, in a bowl, we're gonna add this beautiful ground pink color beef. We're gonna add the crushed onions with mint, the soaked bulgur, the 7 spices, a bit of salt, and then we're gonna mix them very well with our hands. It's like basically making a dough. Then if we feel it's too sticky, we have to add a bit of water. Then we're gonna mix them again until everything gets well incorporated. Oh my God, the kibbeh is almost finished. We are gonna bring a container, we're gonna pour some olive oil, then we're gonna spread the olive oil all over the tray, not forgetting the borders. We're gonna place the kibbeh evenly with a thickness of 1 centimeter only. Do not make it too thick because it's not going to be nice. Add the filling on the top, all over it, then finalize it with a bit of fried pine seeds on the top. Then again, we're going to add the kibbeh on the top of the tray. It's a bit tricky, but I'm going to share with you the secret. We're going to take a chunk of kibbeh, we're going to place it in our hands. Our hands have to be soaked, alright? So the kibbeh doesn't stick. We're going to shape the kibbeh into a ball. Then we're going to flatten the kibbeh using our hands. Then we're going to place it on the top of the tray, and we're going to repeat the same process until all the kibbeh is covered. You know, there's something that is very famous basically in Lebanon that we always like to decorate the kibbeh on the top. Using a fork, you can make some strips on the top of the kibbeh. Lastly, make a middle hole in the middle of the kibbeh. We're going to add a bit of olive oil, and then we're going to spread it all over the kibbeh evenly, alright? Then with a knife, we're gonna cut all the borders, so because we don't want the kibbeh to stick at the end of the day when we cook it, right? Oh my God, I'm getting so hungry already. Now, beautiful people, we're gonna bake it for 180 degrees Celsius for 22 minutes. Can't wait. So, beautiful people, today I have Tony with me. Hi, Tony.
Hi.
You're good?
Chef, yes.
Tony is Russian and he have never tried the Kibbeh Bil Sanieh before.
Very interesting taste and combination with the yogurt.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. You have to make it. You need to try this dish.
Really, they have to try it?
It's amazing, chef.
By the way, this kibbeh recipe, what's nice about it, it's that the beef is very crumbly. You can feel the pine seeds, a kick of mint. Guys, you have to make it. I'm telling you, it is beautiful. I told you it's not gonna work anymore. No, okay. I told you, first one, it's done. How do you say ciao in Russian?
На здоровье.
Na zdrowie!